Date-spaced filling machine. The date-spaced filling machine is equipped with a specialized date-paste mixer, a powerful tool designed for packing dates paste into plastic bags with high production capacity. This dates paste mixer is specifically designed for mixing dates paste. It has a capacity of 500 kilograms. The feed pump is made of stainless steel grade 316, durable, standard high pressure, which is very suitable for conveying materials with high viscosity. This machine is provided with a computer OS that features an imported color touchscreen, offering digital, user-friendly management. It is equipped with advanced features such as automatic stop, timely alarms, material locking, and more, making operations simpler and maintenance more convenient. The piston pump filling system operates without rotation or extrusion, preserving the filling structure, color, and taste. It offers a packaging capacity of over 1,500 kilograms and sealing at temperatures of 85 degrees Celsius or higher. This process avoids secondary contamination, enhances work efficiency, and reduces production cost.